What if I told you that in just a few years, software engineers might not have jobs anymore? Mark Zuckerberg just revealed something that could change the entire tech industry forever. He says that by 2025, AI will be able to code at the level of a mid-tier software engineer. That means companies like Meta, Amazon, and Google could start replacing developers with AI systems sooner than you think. But here's the part no one is talking about. If AI takes over coding, what happens to the people who built the digital world we live in? Is this the end for software engineers? Or is there a hidden opportunity that could make them more valuable than ever? Let's break it down. AI bombshell, the end of software engineers? Mark Zuckerberg recently made a shocking statement that could shake the entire software industry to its core. By 2025, AI will function as a mid-level software engineer writing code, debugging, and even improving itself. Let that sink in. For decades, software engineers have been the backbone of technological progress, building apps, platforms, and systems that power the modern world. But Zuckerberg is predicting a future where AI takes over coding entirely. And he's not the only one. Amazon's cloud chief, in a leaked conversation, revealed that AI could soon replace most software developers. This was an internal discussion, meaning they're preparing for a future where human coders become obsolete. But how real is this? Well, if you look at the data, the answer is terrifyingly real. The data: how fast is AI really advancing? AI coding performance is skyrocketing faster than anyone expected. Let's break it down. Early 2024, AI could solve only 7% of software engineering tasks. Mid-2024, AI reached 38% on Bench, a key software engineering benchmark. Late 2024, AI hit 71.7%, nearly doubling in just a few months. This is not a linear growth pattern, it's exponential. And if this trend continues, we could see fully autonomous AI coders reaching near 100% efficiency by 2026. Even OpenAI's latest models are showing insane improvements. GPT-4 Turbo o3 is now performing in the top 1% of human coders. It writes, debugs, and optimizes code faster than human engineers. It learns from its mistakes, something that was once a uniquely human ability. If AI is already at this level, what happens in 2 years? That's why industry leaders are rushing to integrate AI into their workflows. Companies like Meta, Amazon, and Google are preparing for a world where software development is fully automated. The cost factor: why AI is irresistible to companies. If AI reaches human-level coding ability, what incentive do companies have to keep hiring software engineers? Right now, a senior software engineer in the US makes $150,000 to $250,000 per year. That's not counting bonuses, benefits, stock options, paid time off. AI, on the other hand, works 24/7 with zero breaks, costs a fraction of a human salary, never demands a raise, doesn't make human mistakes due to fatigue. For tech giants, this is an unstoppable economic force. Once AI becomes cheaper than a human engineer, businesses will switch. It's just a matter of time. That's why Amazon is already discussing a future where most developers won't be coding anymore. And if you think this is just a theory, look at what's happening right now. AI-assisted development is already mainstream. GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Replit's Ghostwriter are helping millions of developers write code faster. AI models are now submitting pull requests to real-world repositories, meaning they're actively contributing to software projects without human intervention. Companies are investing billions into AI-driven automation because it's simply more efficient. So, is this the end for software engineers? Not quite. In fact, what's happening next might surprise you. The secret opportunity no one is talking about. Yes, AI is replacing traditional coding jobs, but something bigger is happening. The demand for software itself is about to explode. And to understand why, we need to talk about Jevons's paradox. According to Jevons' paradox, when a resource becomes cheaper and easier to use, demand skyrockets. Think about it. When cars became cheaper to produce, more people bought cars. When electricity became cheaper, more industries started using it. When computers became cheaper, they became part of everyday life. The same thing will happen to software development. If AI makes coding fast, cheap, and accessible, suddenly every business will want software. Startups that couldn't afford custom apps before will start building them. Companies will develop more AI-driven platforms than ever. Entire new industries will be built around AI-powered automation. And when that happens, we're going to need more engineers, not fewer, just in a different role. Supervising AI to ensure it generates correct, optimized code. debugging complex issues AI can't solve on its own, designing high-level system architectures AI doesn't understand, improving AI models themselves to make them even more efficient. The future of software engineering, adapt or GET left behind the shift, is already happening. Just look at Apple's latest job listings. They aren't hiring fewer engineers. They're hiring engineers with AI expertise. And this isn't just Apple. Across the tech industry, companies are looking for software engineers who understand AI agent-based frameworks like CrewAI and LangChain, AI-assisted development AMP, debugging, how to train and fine-tune AI models. The future isn't about who can write the best code. It's about who can orchestrate the AI that writes the code. And if you can master that skill, your value as an engineer will skyrocket. This is why the World Economic Forum predicts that software engineering will still be one of the fastest-growing careers in the world by 2030. Because while AI will replace the engineers who refuse to adapt, it will also empower those who embrace it. The real question is, are you going to evolve with AI, or will AI replace you? We've seen the data. We've heard from industry leaders. AI is advancing at an unstoppable rate, and traditional software engineering jobs are under serious threat. But here's the real question: what happens next? Will software engineers vanish, or is there a hidden opportunity that could make them more valuable than ever? The answer isn't as simple as AI replaces software engineers, because while AI will eliminate some jobs, it will also create entirely new roles that don't even exist today. Let's break down what's next for software engineers, who will survive the AI shift, and how you can prepare for the future before it's too late. Impact on software engineers. To understand the future, we need to recognize that AI and number 39's impact on software engineering won't happen overnight. It will unfold in 3 key phases. Phase 1, AI as a coding assistant, 2023-2025. We're in this phase right now. AI tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and OpenAI's code interpreter are helping engineers write code faster, debug issues, and automate repetitive tasks. AI reduces the time spent on boilerplate code. Junior engineers are relying more on AI for learning and productivity. AI-generated pull requests are increasing in accuracy and efficiency. Outcome: engineers who understand AI use it as a tool to become 10 times more productive, while those who refuse to adapt fall behind. Phase 2, AI takes over low-level coding jobs, 2025-2027. This is where things get serious. By 2025, AI will be able to function as a mid-level engineer, writing code, fixing bugs, and even optimizing software without human input. At this stage, companies will start replacing human engineers with AI systems. Entry-level coding jobs will decline rapidly. The software industry will become highly competitive for human engineers. This phase will be a brutal wake-up call for developers who only know how to code at a basic level. Companies will no longer need large teams of junior developers when AI can handle their tasks faster and cheaper. Outcome: routine coding jobs will disappear. AI-specialized engineers will become more valuable. Companies will focus on AI-driven automation rather than human-led development. Phase 3, AI becomes the primary software developer, 2027-2030. By 2027, AI will have reached the point where it can develop entire applications on its own, writing not just individual lines of code, but entire software, architectures. AI will be able to plan, execute, and manage large-scale projects. The need for human intervention in basic software development will decline. Only highly specialized engineers will remain relevant. At this stage, software engineers will no longer write most of the code themselves. Instead, they will manage and direct AI models that do the coding. The shift will be as dramatic as when industrial robots replaced factory workers in manufacturing. Outcome: the old way of software engineering is gone. Engineers who learn AI orchestration, architecture, and AI model improvement will dominate. Engineers who ignore AI advancements will be left behind. This is the future of software development, and those who refuse to evolve will become obsolete. The jobs that will survive the AI shift. So if AI is taking over software engineering, what kind of jobs will still exist? Here's the reality. AI won't replace software engineers. It will change what software engineers do. Instead of writing code line by line, engineers will shift into new, high-value roles that involve directing and managing AI systems like AI-oriented software engineers, engineers who specialize in prompt engineering, AI model fine-tuning, and AI-human collaboration will be in high demand. AI debugging and quality control specialists, AI may write code, but humans will still be needed to ensure accuracy, handle edge cases, and prevent AI hallucinations. AI orchestrators system architects. Instead of writing every line of code, engineers will design and manage AI-powered workflows that produce software automatically. AI model trainers and researchers. The AI models themselves will need continuous improvement, meaning engineers will need to specialize in AI training and optimization. Cybersecurity and AI ethics experts. As AI-driven development increases, so will security risks, leading to new roles in AI security, compliance, and ethical AI development. These jobs won't just survive AI, they will be high-paying and in extreme demand. The engineers who learn AI workflows will dominate. The engineers who resist AI will become irrelevant. How to prepare for the future before it's too late. If you're a software engineer today, you have two choices: ignore AI and risk becoming obsolete. Embrace AI and become one of the most valuable engineers of the future. Here's what you need to do right now to stay ahead. Number 1, master AI-powered development. Learn to work with AI tools like GitHub Copilot, LangChain, CrewAI, and OpenAI's code interpreter. Number 2, specialize in AI model fine-tuning. The future isn't just about using AI, it's about customizing AI for specific tasks. Number 3, develop AI orchestration skills. Learn how to manage multiple AI agents that can complete entire software projects. Number 4, understand AI security and ethics. With AI developing more code, cybersecurity risks will skyrocket, making this an essential skill. Number 5, follow AI research and advancements. Stay updated on new AI models, benchmarks, and best practices. AI isn't the enemy, it's a tool. The only question is, will you learn to use it or will it replace you? Let's be clear, traditional software engineering is dying. AI-driven software development is taking over, but those who adapt will be more powerful than ever. This isn't the end of software engineers, it's a transformation. The ones who thrive in this new world won't be those who simply write code, it will be those who can manage, refine, and enhance AI-driven coding workflows. The choice is yours: get left behind, or lead the AI-driven future. Because the software engineers of tomorrow won't just write code, they'll orchestrate the machines that do. Are you ready? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.